Greetings and salutations. It is a hot, sweltering central Louisiana day, and I am in the midst of removing the wheel hub off the rear of my Farmall H. I've already managed to get the tire off, discovering that it did have a lock nut inside. The clamp's on this side, and it comes through the bolt, comes through, and there's a jam nut here, and then it goes on. You put the second clamp here. This little Harbor Freight unit has proved useful so far. We'll see if I manage to tear the world up, but right now I am lifting off this hub using a hydraulic pump, another Harbor Freight special. But here's where we're at so far. I don't know how long this is going to take or how safe this is, but it's what I am doing. Well, done hit the maximum length on my hydraulic pump. I got to get another shim to put in there. Alrighty, so we'll come back to this in a little bit. Okay, so I've changed up my hydraulic jack setup a little bit because I wasn't getting quite the push I needed. It was putting the hub in a bind. It's still a slight bind, but not near as much as it was. We're coming around. Give you a view. It's coming on out, but it's taking its time. There'll be a lot of cleanup on this one. Got to get it where it looks pretty. My wife can paint it red. For you perfectionists, no, I'm not going to spray paint it. I'll probably brush paint it. Make sure I got a good heavy coat on it. But let's see where we're going now. If I can do this without just killing myself or the world. As long as this Harbor Freight pump and the engine lift holds on, it'll be alright. I should be just about to the end of the shaft here, or the axle, and it's normal. Things jump loose on you. That's normal. I'm going to get the dropsies, and everything's going to be going every which way. I have to stop and say funny words. You can thank Robert Willie. He taught me. I think I need to roll my shop crane forward a little more. If it does decide to loose, this isn't probably the safest place for them. You won't swing back. Come to the conclusion that these particular pieces of equipment are made for somebody who's got 40 acres of ground. Oh, looky there, looky there. It's loose. It's loose as a goose. And I haven't killed myself yet. Okay, good. Well, it's off. There's the axle. I guess I can pull this shop crane back. See what we got going here. One thing Harbor Freight didn't do is put a good pull handle on this to make it a little tedious to move things. But I guess I can't complain. One Harbor Freight shop crane, one sling lift. The hub is off and loose. I'll need to get in here and wire brush this and get as much of the grit and grime off. I got to pull this piece off to get to the oil seal, because I'm going to have to replace the oil seal and the gasket in there. But hopefully that won't be near as difficult as getting off the hub. So here we are in central Louisiana, 4 miles west of Dry Prong, and managed to survive.